most plumbers get this wrong when choosing their business software. And it usually costs them time, missed jobs, and frustrated customers. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best tool is not the one with the most features. It's the one that survives a chaotic day on the road without slowing your team down. In this video we are breaking down whether Jobber is actually worth it for plumbers in 2026, where it performs well, where it struggles, and who should think twice before committing. Let's get into it. Jobber, officially known as Jobber, is built for home service businesses like plumbing, HVAC, and electrical work. It helps you manage scheduling, dispatching, quoting, invoicing, and customer communication in one system. At first glance, it sounds like exactly what a plumbing business needs. And for many plumbers, especially small teams, it absolutely delivers value. But here's the problem. Plumbing work is unpredictable. Emergency calls, clogged drains, burst pipes, and reschedules can hit your calendar without warning. So your software has to handle chaos, not just clean schedules. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jobber does a strong job with scheduling and dispatching. You can assign jobs quickly, update technicians in real time, and keep your office and field teams connected. For a plumber like Mike, running a 2 to 5 person crew, this removes a lot of daily confusion. Instead of calling technicians repeatedly, everything shows up on their mobile app. That alone reduces mistakes and saves time on every job. Let's say Jake runs a plumbing service in a busy suburb. Before Jobber, he was managing calls, texts, and handwritten notes. Jobs were getting mixed up, especially during emergencies. After switching, his schedule became visible in one place, and his team stopped missing appointments. That's the real strength of Jobber. Clarity under pressure. But here's where you need to pay attention. Plumbing businesses often deal with complex pricing. Service calls, diagnostics, parts, labor rates, and emergency fees can all vary. Jobber handles basic invoicing very well, but advanced pricing structures can require extra setup and careful management. Now let's talk customer experience, because this is where plumbers win or lose repeat business. Jobber helps you send professional quotes, appointment reminders, and invoices automatically. Customers can approve quotes and pay online, which speeds up your cash flow. For plumbers who used to chase payments after every job, this feels like a major upgrade. But there is another side. If your plumbing business is scaling fast and you need advanced job costing, deeper reporting, or complex multi-crew coordination, you may start to feel some limitations. Jobber is built for simplicity first, not deep operational control. And that difference matters more as you grow. So here is the real breakdown. If you are a small to mid-sized plumbing business that wants to reduce chaos, improve scheduling, and get paid faster, Jobber is a strong fit. It simplifies daily operations and helps your team stay organized without heavy training. But if you are managing large commercial plumbing projects, multiple crews, or highly detailed job costing, you may eventually need a more advanced system. The key question is not whether Jobber is powerful. It absolutely is for the right stage. The real question is whether it matches how complex your plumbing operations are today, and where they will be in the next few years. Here is the simple takeaway. Jobber works best for plumbers who want speed, structure, and better communication without overwhelming complexity. It replaces messy workflows with a clean system your team can actually use every day. And in plumbing, consistency matters more than anything else. If this review helped you understand whether Jobber fits your plumbing business in 2026, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns that help you choose the right tools for your business.